just raked out a marble, but this is stuff I found I haven't filmed. This says Monticello, Illinois, Dr. Caldwell's. I got this cool, like, cork top heart bottle. I don't know if you can see that. It says Dr. Caldwell's, Monticello, Illinois up the side. These nice blue, several blue glass bottles. Cobalt blue around one, that one's really pretty. Lots of different sizes of them. Got a real nice Magic Valley. It says Sistersville, West Virginia. It's all there, it's nice. Got this weird thing, don't know what this is. Got a broken one too. Got this, and that's about it. But right here, raked out this marble here. Oh, it's a pretty one. It's a turquoise and white cat eye. It's in real nice condition. I'm on the marbles again. I'm gonna go. I'm not even up where I was at yet. I'm walking up the hill. I just decided to take some rakes in here and found all this stuff in just minutes. Later. I found these before, but I don't have one this good. This is going to be my keeper. It's in really nice shape. Mason's Old-Fashioned Root Beer, Chicago, Illinois. Mason's Old-Fashioned Root Beer, bottled under the authority of Mason & Mason Incorporated, Chicago, Illinois. And it's a nice brown bottle with a nice graphic. I love it. See what it says on the bottom. It's probably from the 50s. 1950. It says 50 right there. Later, folks. Look at this old letter opener I just raked out. It's like a marbleized thing. It says Fuller on it, and it's got a businessman with a business case. It's probably 1950s. Look at that. It's a 1950s looking guy, like a business guy. Man, that's pretty. Got some heartbreakers here. Where's it at? Oh, look at this ashtray. You can see right there where the cigarette went, and look, it's got like a oriental design on it. Got that toy train. This is marked. I think it says made in Japan. It does. I'm gonna take it just because I'm not. It's busted. But I got that 7-Up here. It's pretty nice. And that's it. Later. But that thing here is cool. That letter opener. Later, folks. Just raked this out. That's kind of cool. Probably 40s or 50s plastic. It's a little baby. Well, anyway, I'm still raking back in here. I'll see what I can get later. Alright, seconds after that baby, probably 5 or 6 rakes, got another nice marble one. It looks like an alley. That's a nice one. Hold on, I'll set this down and let me wipe it off and show you. This is a good marble. I'm getting a nice variety up here of different stuff. Yeah, I'd say this is an alley for sure. It's not a Marble King. You see all the random swirls on it. It's like a purple. It's like, you call this a cookies and cream alley probably. Kind of a clear base purple on a white marble. It's pretty nice. Well, anyway, later, folks. Man, folks, I just got a day maker to go in one of my Indian Arrowhead cases. Look at this. Let me wipe this off on the filthy. Here, look at the mosquitoes flying in this hole. I got on bug spray, but they're still around me. I think you can probably see them right through this. But I got a piece of play money. It says play coin on it, and it's got an Indian with a headdress on it. And on the back, it says 1 cent play coin, and it's got teepees. And it is cool. Probably from the 40s or 50s. Some little kid played with this, and their parents threw it over the hill at the dump. It's magic to me. It's gonna look awesome with arrowheads. I'll put up pictures. This is nice. I love it. Later. Look here, that's a Disney toy. I can't remember what that dog's name, Goofy maybe? But look how perfect it is. It's that real rubberized, like rubber car tire stuff. That's old. That's cool. Got a doorknob set here. Haven't been finding a lot, but I'm finding nice smalls. There's toys in here, and I like the old toys. That's cool. I'll clean this up and show you better pictures. That's a Disney toy. It's old. It's very cool. And I'm finding the nice marbles. I just raked this one out. Right back in there under them trees. You can see all this crap coming out of here. But it's another beauty. A clear cobalt blue base with white wisps. I'm not sure what kind this is. Maybe an alley. It's beautiful though. It's really nice. You can see it there. It's, light goes through it. It's nice. Wow. Later. Man, I'm on a roll today for kids' toys. This is another glass bottle, a baby bottle for a girl's doll from the 40s or 50s, and it's embossed with either a kangaroo or a dog setting up. You can see it right there. Man, that's cool. That's a day maker for me. I have several of these and I don't have this one. Let's say I have 4 or 5 now. Got some more blue bottles and stuff, and you can see there. I'm raking up in here. I got more marbles too. Get this bottle. It's Dr. Soul's Early American root beer. I think the label will clean up. It's got an S on it there too. But I like this, man. Embossed with an animal. Cool find. Right up. Alright, I just raked out this marble. This might be an acro corkscrew. It's kind of going around here. But since like I've been holding them back, I got 3 other ones right in here. They're pretty, you know, I guess that one there on the end's nice. They're not bad. This cat eye's got some dings in it, but these other 2 are nice condition anyway. So that's 4 in like 20 minutes. I'm digging all the way down through here and raking. Trying to find something cool later. I just raked out 2 more marbles. The one up here at the top already picked up. It's very nice. But there's like a nice green and white swirl. It's got some other colors on it, some brown spots in it on this side. We'll get them cleaned up at the end. Let me put this in my pocket with the other ones. I'd say I have 30 to 50 marbles probably, but man, look at this one. Clear base. Let me wipe off this camera. You can see I'm filthy again. I just got mud all over me. But man, this is nice. This is a nice one. You can see all the way inside the marble, and it's got these swirls on the outside. It's nice. See clear through it. Later. Marbles everywhere in here. Here's another nice one. Just like 30 seconds later. Clear blue base with white all over it. It's a nice one. Real nice condition. Anyway, later. Alright, since the last marble, I found this spoon, but it was broke. And I found all 4 of these marbles, and it's only been minutes. I'm taking a drink break. Look at that old Marble King patch and ribbon. There's some pretty cool ones here. Found all these. Got a couple milks. This one just says half pint liquid on it. It doesn't say any company or anything, which stinks. There's a little like cork top thing I'm gonna take that. Just not much, but I'm finding marbles. I have way more. I haven't been showing all of them to you. I'm just showing you select ones. I'll show them all when I'm done and cleaned up. I got a bunch of them again today, as many as yesterday. The screen, I don't know if you can see this. I raked this out and I thought it was a button. I thought I better take a look at it, so I wiped it off, and that's a military button. I'll clean it up and show you pictures, but that's a good find. Man, it's an eagle button. Look. Later. Alright, I just got this marble. It's got a clear window looking all the way through it, and a blue patch on the other side. Got this like 10 minutes after that eagle button. I'm getting wore out, and I'm just soaked all the way through my clothes with sweat. Ingram Barge Company, and the boat's name is the James E. Anderson, A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N. The James E. Anderson. Ingram Barge Co. I-N-G-R-A-M. Good look at a barge for you people. I'm done looking. Just found a bunch of flint. I'll show you all the flint and stuff I found. I found a broken arrowhead, and that's it. Nothing much today. That's the way it goes. I sifted for a long time. Later, folks. Alright, I got an arrowhead here at my feet. I thought it was a piece of wood. It really looks like it. I kind of moved it, but see if you can see it down there in the viewfinder. It's about a foot off the end of my feet. I picked up a few flakes. I think I got one. Yeah, I got one more in here. Walked about 600 yards, 3 flakes, and now I got a point. It looks like when I moved it, it looks like it has an impact fracture. It's right here. Yep, it does, right down the edge. I'd say that's a lancelet. It might not be, but man, look at that impact. It's just classic. Right down the tip, right down the side. That would have been nice. Look how nice and thin it is. Wow. It's got veins, a translucent material in it. Quartz veins running through it up here at the tip. Would have been a beauty. Wow. Well, anyway, later. Get back on my next one. Alright, it's Sunday today. I've been out for a long time, all morning. Anything I gotta note is a bunch of flint. This is a piece off a scraper. The whole edge is worked here, you can see it. But got this point, it's impacted from the tip, and I thought it looked like a lance, but it's a corner notch, and it's probably an Amos or a Kirk. But it's been impacted. It would have been a beauty. Would have been nice. Anyway, later.